Hey guys, it is me. I'm gonna do another review on some glasses. Right now, I'm wearing one of the pairs we're gonna talk about. I also have a pair from Zenni and a pair from Firmoo. These ones are from Kits.ca. So I got these free with their promo, just had to pay the shipping. These are called the Orion. They come in black, tortoiseshell, and blue. And here they are. So normally these would cost 99 bucks plus shipping, but because of the promo, they were free. I just had to pay the shipping. Sorry. Once again, these are called the Orion. Right now they're out of stock. I was actually considering getting another pair with transitions, but can't do it if they don't have the stock. So I'm kind of bummed about that. So I've been looking at other options and other sites with the same size to try and see if I can maybe make something happen there. So far I haven't ordered anything, but I am looking. So these are very glossy. They're light, plastic. I don't think they look too bad. You know, this is my first pair of glasses really like this. And what do you think? Can I rock it? I think they're all right. All right, so we're going to move on to the next ones. Next glasses are going to be from Zenni. Here we go. So these ones here are going to be my first pair of a tortoiseshell style glasses. I've wanted to have a pair for a while, and there was it was a good price. I think in total by the end of it, it was like just under 50 bucks. And now I have a pair of glasses with a tortoiseshell look. What do you guys think of these ones? Me personally, I actually like these quite a bit. These are transition lenses. That's why it was 50 bucks. I went with the Zenni Blocks photochromatic lenses. So Zenni's own transition lenses and in gray. And I gotta say, they're actually really nice. Unfortunately it's raining all this week, but just like my last video. But whenever I was outside, they do get dark, they turn gray, and honestly with the tortoise shell, it looks really, really cool. And I ended up getting transitions on the Novembers too, which I showed in my last video. And with the black frame and that and the transitions, it looks wicked. I'm actually pretty happy with it. For the 20 or 30 bucks it is to upgrade to the transition lenses or photochromatic lenses, definitely worth it. I would definitely recommend it, especially with Zenni. I'm very impressed with how well they work. But yeah, so I got these guys here. All right, they're just a rectangular glasses. I'm pretty sure that's all they're called on the website. I will try and get the info and put it in the description. And these are in a tortoiseshell, as you can see. And this is how they look on me, guys. All right, so last pair of glasses we're gonna go over. I'll tell you about them. All right. So these ones are from Firmoo. All right. So these, I don't mind the look at all. I am a fan of it. Now the only issue is, unlike the other companies there with the free promos and stuff like that, this is I use the free promo for these, okay? Basic lenses. There's no anti-reflective coating on this, and it drives me nuts to wear them. Put them on, I could see light all inside the lenses. Where you're seeing it reflecting right now, I am seeing that inside, and it actually gives me a headache. I can see my own eyes, and that's such a bummer. And that's my fault, you know? I would have to pay a little bit more to, not have that issue. Unfortunately, like other companies already offer that right out of the box, for the first pair free. So I was really bummed because I did like the look. They're a matte finish. And you know what? Honestly, I think they look pretty good. You be the judge, but I think they look pretty good. But with these lenses, it's definitely a no-go. Like, there's no way I could wear these and, for more than a few minutes without giving myself a headache. I've already tried, and it doesn't work. I'm really disappointed because, you know what? These probably would be one of my favorites if it weren't for the lenses. So maybe I'll have to reorder them. Maybe I'll go with, transition photochromatic lens and try this again, but right now I'm pretty disappointed with these. But this is how they look, guys. All right, so these are from Firmoo. All right. We got these guys from Kits.ca. Big fan of these. Great promo. Just took a little while to come to me, but other than that, you know, I'm pretty happy with them. And the last ones from Zenni, which were my tortoiseshell glasses with photochromatic lenses, which I said are wicked. And you know what? I might even do another video where I can show you guys exactly what they look like whenever they transition with these. And I'll also compare it to the Novembers, which I got from iBuyDirect with photochromatic lenses. And those were also gray. Based on what I saw, they almost seem like they're very similar with the product. They transitioned just as quickly and, you know, return back to clear about just as fast. But we can test that. We can test that in another video. So that's the fun of this, guys. But yeah, so that's it for the video. You got to see 3 pairs of glasses. That's pretty much all I'm ordering right now. You know, I spent a couple bucks on some glasses just so I have them. I'm the type of guy that doesn't really like glasses too much unless I have options. I can change things up once in a while. It makes it a little bit more interesting. And now that I've been wearing them more, I am going blind whenever I don't have them. So this is great. I'm happy to have them. And we'll go from there. But anyway, guys, that's it for the video. Look forward to a transition video. Whenever it stops raining, I'll try and do one. I'll compare the iBuyDirect. I keep saying transition. I'm sorry. I just went photochromatic, the basic. Transitions is a brand. My bad. Photochromatic lenses from iBuyDirect and the photochromatic lenses from Zenni. And we'll try them out and see what happens. All right, guys. Have a great day. Thank you for watching and see you next time.